Welcome to this video about Kling AI tutorial for beginners, and today I'm going to show you how to turn your text into stunning video clips. So here we are in the Kling AI platform, and first I'm just going to show you around. So I'm logged in right now and I've got a Premier subscription, and basically this is the home tab. This is where you come when you open up Kling AI, and the first place we're going to go is we've got AI images here, so you can create AI images. You just put in your prompt there and you can create an AI image. And then we've got AI videos. We're going to start with AI videos. We're going to do a short nativity video using Kling AI, about 5-6 shots. I'll just show you quickly some of the shots I've created in here before. So you can look here quickly at some of the shots. In some other videos I've made here, this was a video where I was creating giants. And then I've got a music video that I made here with Kling AI. This shows some of the characters that were singing in the music video. If I go back here, I've done a video where I created co-hosts for a podcast using Notebook LM, and this is where I created the podcast. So these are lots of examples. I've done Back to the Future style videos in here, and my original opening to my channel, which has me as Superman and different characters. So we're going to go to text to video, and I've come up with prompts using ChatGPT to help me. Basically told ChatGPT these are the scenes that I want from the nativity, and then I said I want them in the style of like the Coca-Cola advert in terms of like the friendliness of the shot. So let's put this in here for the prompt. We're going to put the prompt in there, just copied and pasted the prompt in there. And I'm going to add the term subtle motion because that always helps. You can use a face model here, like if you have a model of yourself, you can use it here to help with creating that. I'll show you how to do that in another video. And this is where you have the choice of professional mode or standard mode, different models. Standard mode is faster generation, but professional mode is better visual quality. I want the better visual quality. You can choose the aspect ratio here, 16:9, which is the standard landscape version, or you've got the portrait, which is the version for, platforms such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, is 1:1 for Instagram. So yeah, here's the generating count. I'll get it to just create one, I think, or maybe I'll get it to create a couple, because then I'll have a couple of options. So in here, negative prompt, you can put in things like kind of content you don't want to see. So I've just copied the suggestion for some of the things it says not to put in there. So I'll just generate that. So when it's generating now, it's saying it's 25 minutes, so it's quite busy at the moment. So you'll see it generating at the top of your queue over here. So I'm going to go through and quickly put in the prompts for the rest of the scenes here. While we're waiting for some of that to generate, I'll show you around the rest of the space here. So we've got image to video. I'll choose an image here for my downloads. And I'm going to take this one here. It's just from a thumbnail that I made. And then basically we're just going to tell it funny scene. And now text to video, image to video, then back to dashboard. So they're the two main ones. And then also in here you have the choice to make an AI custom model where you've got to agree to some of these terms, basically saying that you're not using someone else's image. And then you can follow the instructions here to upload a video and create a custom AI avatar of yourself to put yourself in different situations. So you used to have to do this in a different way. You used to have to use like image to video. You could get like an image of yourself and then create it into video. But now you can use actual video model of yourself and build a model. So in another video, I will show you how to do that. We'll go through that process. So the generations are done now, and I've put them together in CapCut. Here's a quick look at what's possible.
God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill, will toward men. Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill, toward men.
Wow, look what's possible. With Kling AI, you're able to bring to life the nativity story in a way that you've never seen it before. So I hope that you've been inspired to create your own short films and to add scenes to your own videos and content creation online, or wherever you're creating content just for yourself for the fun of it. And if you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what scene you enjoyed the most. Let me know what you'll be doing, or show me examples of what you're doing in your videos. I'd love to engage. Tell me about your channel. Tell me about the content you're creating. And if you've enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to share with any of your friends. So if you found value in this content, this whole channel is about creating content using AI tools that make creation of content much easier, then you'll love these other videos that I've done here and here. And I'll see you in those next videos.